Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to delete watch history on Disney+. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to delete your watch history inside Disney+, well, this one's going to be pretty easy. Now, how do you do it on your mobile device? So in this case, you want to open up the Disney Plus app here, and you want to access the profile, where you want to delete your watch history. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you should see the continue watching section. So you want to go and click on the three-dotted option here, and you want to go and choose the remove from continue watching, so that you could basically clear out your queue here, and it will now be a fresh, or the continuous watching section will be removed. And also, alternatively, you could also access the My Space section at the bottom right of your screen, and you should see the continue watching section again, and you can go and just click on the three-dotted option at the bottom right here, and you should see the option here that says remove from continue watching. Now that's how you do it inside your mobile device. Now how do you do this on your PC? Now, doing it in a browser is quite easy as well. It's straightforward, like what we did with the mobile device. So in this case, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for the continue watching section, and you want to go ahead and basically hover over that specific section, and you want to go and click on the X at the top right here, and you should be able to delete that specific series or movie from your continue watching section, which in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.